caught on camera.
And I want to go back out to Orlando, where Meg Strickler has been standing by. Talk about over the course of this case, because and traditionally we hear lawyers thanking the jurors and for their kind attention and for taking the case so seriously. But tell us a little bit about this jury as they are about tomorrow to get this case.
Well, we as defense attorneys have to say it's part of what we learned to do very early on. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this case. Think about everything you hear and take and consider every piece of evidence that you heard and come to a good verdict. I want to really congratulate Baez. It sounds like he got some caffeine in him at the end. He was very compassionate. I felt his compassion. I felt his compassion. I have said some rude things about him, but here at the very end, he's like, you gotta convict only if you feel it. And that wasn't law, that was emotion. And I thought that was really good at the very end to say, all right, guys, listen now. You gotta listen to everything you said, you heard from the trial, but also stuff you haven't heard. This is an important case. She's facing the death penalty. Please, jury, listen to what I'm saying. And as a defense attorney, I think he connected at the very end. I really do. And I do think the jury now is going to sit back, take this another break that we have now, and then Cheney Mason's going to come up and I think bore him a good bit when he talks about the law. But at the very end, Jose Baez, who's been doing the most of this trial, he connected. And that is key. I'm really excited by that in the sense that he got his point out. He had two phrases he's coined throughout the whole trial: fantasy forensics. And they also said, something's not right here. Both of those are phrases we heard over and over and over. And I think they'll take that home tonight, well, to the hotel tonight, and think, all right, I don't know if I can convict on all this.
But before they get to that hotel, of course, the prosecutor gets to come back. He gets to do his rebuttal. As you were listening, Randy, what are the key points that you think Jeff Ashton has to rebut?